Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your camera not working in Jitsi Meet. So basically what you'll need to do is go and click right here and select your camera. So enable your camera and click on this arrow and you'll see this arrow on every visit. So make sure that is turned on, and right here you'll be able to select the camera and check if that's working. Okay, now what we'll need to do is go right here near the camera icon and click on video settings, and you'll see virtual backgrounds and mirror my video. So basically right here you'll be able to select from cameras which one do you want to use. So I only have one camera, so that's why I can't use multiple, but if you turn on you'll see that camera should work now properly. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.